In today's video, I will walk you through how to remove a coin in Coingecko. To get started, open Coingecko and logged into your account. Once you're signed in, look at the top part of the screen and tap the Portfolio button. Then click View More. This will take you to the Portfolio page. From there, scroll down and look for the coin you want to remove. Once you confirm you really want to remove this coin to your portfolio, tap the three dots and click Remove Coin. A confirmation box will appear. Click the red Confirm button. Wait for the page to load, and that coin will be removed from your portfolio. Now, if you want to remove more coins from your portfolio, simply repeat those steps. Just a quick reminder, once you remove a coin from your portfolio, it will be deleted permanently. You will need to manually add the coin to see it again in your portfolio. Just a quick recap, go to Coingecko and log in your account. Hover to Portfolio and tab View More. Choose the coin you'll want to remove. And hover over the three-dot icon over that coin and click Remove Coin. Then click the Confirm button. And that's how you remove a coin in portfolio in Coingecko. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.